Have you ever wondered how to get a pre-approval letter? Or you just want to find out how much money you can actually borrow to buy a home? I'm going to show you the easiest way to get pre-approved online without even having to speak with a human. Before I get started, my name is Brandon, and I just want to say right up front, this is not a promotion. I have no affiliation with this company that I'm going to be talking about. I seriously just love their platform. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more investing and finance-related content. Getting pre-approval from an actual mortgage lender before you start house shopping is so important because you're able to obtain the actual maximum number that you'll be able to borrow. Pre-approval also gives you a leg up on competing buyers because sellers will see that you can actually afford to pay the price in your offer. Those online home affordability calculators are good for giving you a general idea of your price range, but without pre-approval for a specific amount of money, you risk making an offer on a house that you can't afford. So I hate using this word, but Bettercom is really disrupting the entire mortgage lending industry by making the entire pre-approval process super simple by making it entirely digital online. I've personally used their platform over the last few months to generate pre-approval letters in less than 5 minutes. Their pre-approval letters are reviewed by underwriters, they don't affect your credit score, and most importantly, they're completely free with no commitment. Now I'm going to walk you through how to get pre-approved on Better.com. You're going to want to start by going to Better.com and creating an account if you don't already have one. Once you're signed in, go to the rates drop down on the top right and select Purchase. Select Get Started under the mortgage rates. Answer the brief questions about your home buying plans. They won't have an effect on how much you can borrow. So select where you are in the home buying process and when you plan on making some serious offers to buy a home. Then enter the area you're looking at buying in. The next set of questions is important because it will determine what type of down payment will be required. For instance, income properties and second homes usually require at least 20% down, while primary residents require less. Now they're going to run a soft credit check, but don't worry, it doesn't affect your credit score. You'll have to enter your personal information to verify that you are a real person. And finally, enter your financial information including your salary, monthly debt payments, and any assets you have. After that, you'll be able to look at your available rates for different terms and generate that pre-approval letter. And that's it. Now you have your pre-approval letter, so you can start house hunting and making offers. Having a pre-approval letter in hand gives you the knowledge of how much house you can actually afford, and it helps sellers feel more confident in your ability to close the deal. So good luck on your home search, and thanks for watching.